This is an overview of all the available options for the Animal Crossing chat. So first, to get to the settings, you'll want to click on the Settings tab. And there are various different sections for different types of settings. In this first tab, Test, you can go here at any point to send a test message. The currency settings are just for the tip alerts, so you can select your language and locale so that the unit displays in the right place for the currency. You can also choose to override the currency so that no matter what currency you received the tip in, it will always display in the same currency. And just put the currency code you want to see here. Under display settings, you can choose whether the badges show or not next to the username here. If you want to display alerts at any point to send an alert, you can go to Emulate and choose the event you want to emulate. You can change the alert sound. There are a few options here, or you can select none and have no sound. You can choose the max number of messages that show before the top one falls off. This message speed is for how quickly the letters appear. This hide messages after option is so that if you want the older messages to fall off after a certain amount of time, enter that number of seconds here. If you leave it at 0, then the messages will only fall off after you reach the max. You can choose to hide commands, anything starting with an exclamation mark. You can also choose to merge consecutive messages from the same user. And you can enter any users you would like to ignore here. This is useful for StreamElements, messages, or any other bots that you may not want to see in your chat. Under custom alert messages, there are templates for how these alerts show up. Anything in brackets is a variable, so the username and amount, and they'll be replaced with the corresponding value when the alert shows. Under colors and styling, you can change the font size, how transparent the widget is if you want to be able to see your stream through the chat a bit. And then for colors, the default is randomly assigned colors from the classic color palette, but you can also choose to use fixed colors. So if you have this unchecked, these colors will be used. At any point, if you change a setting, your existing test messages will disappear, so keep that in mind as you test. Here's an example of the fixed colors. Those are all the options you have available. Hope you enjoy the widget and happy streaming.